Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Standard Senior KG. Subject EVS. Topic National Leaders of Independent India. Hello children, how are you all today? Let us learn about some of our great Indian national leaders. Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Mahatma Gandhi Ji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was known as the father of the nation or Bapu. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was a great lawyer, writer and political leader. He was the founder of Indian Constitution. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the father of the Indian movement. He laid the foundation of modern India. His famous quote was, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the founder of Indian National Army. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November, which is Chacha Nehru's birthday. Veer Bhagat Singh. Veer Bhagat Singh is known as Shaheed. His famous catchphrase was Inqilab Zindabad. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was known as the Iron Man of India. He was popularly known as Sardar Patel. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was known as the Nightingale of India. She was a great politician and poet. Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. He was an Indian monk and played an important role to introduce yoga and Vedanta to the Western world. Children, let us revise the national leaders, their contribution towards freedom struggle and the title given to them. Mahatma Gandhi Ji, father of the nation. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Constitution of India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, father of Indian movement. Subhash Chandra Bose, founder of Indian National Army. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. Veer Bhagat Singh, Shaheed. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. Swami Vivekanand, founder of Ramakrishna Mission. Children, there's a homework for you while you revise the national leaders. Children, you need to color the picture of the rose and the stick as given. Thank you, children.